Hey everybody, it's Ian out in the desert. There's the camp behind me. There. The plant over that way. I just thought I'd show you what's rocked up tonight. Lots of trucks! So I thought I'd do a quick walk around, show you how big these trucks are. They're so big. I thought Nate would probably like this sort of thing. This one's running. You guys in it, having a sleep probably. Look how big. So big. Really big. Like, check that out. Equipment for moving fluids around, like under the ground. See, these are the threads. They go up to like ridiculous torques. So this is the actual pole that they send miles down. You know, the actual bit that they screw the whole wellhead with. This is like more pumps and pumping equipment. Housing itself. This one over here. I think rig 27. It's so big. It is oversized. So much of big. Yeah, rig 27. Check that out. So the white bit goes up and then the whole thing drills down the back end. Big old piece of concrete. Yeah, from Toowoomba. These aren't normally sitting here. That one's got a digger on it. I don't even know which one it is. There's lots of bars around. They're kind of annoying. Yeah, how cool is that? That's heaps of trucks. So I thought Nate would probably enjoy this. I'm sure he'd probably have a little moment to himself. It's pretty cool, huh? There's the plant out there, and there's everyone who's in for dinner. Here's my little house for a week at a time. Yeah, it's quite nice out here.